Hey guys, this is MaxSinger234. Have you ever wanted to shimmy so bad? Well, this guy loves to shimmy.
Brushing my teeth.
He's like beast at it, man. You should have seen him. Well, you did see him. Awkward. Well, anyways. Isn't he like so weird? He's awesome though. Ugh. From the cool C123. I know. It's amazing. It's like he's like shaking the whole world. Earthquake, earthquake. Shimmy, 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 shimmy. Earthquake, earthquake. Shimmy, 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 shimmy. Hear the music in the background? It's like it moves like Jagger or what like that. I know. Weird like that. Here's another video. It's like about these guinea pigs. Guinea pigs, huh? Yeah. These guinea pigs just can't stop. Like, can't stop squeaking. And even there's a guy in the background singing. I know, ridiculous. It makes me want to, like, really? Oh yeah, sorry, I'm just working with my eye. Those guinea pigs are really cute. It's really cute. I don't know what to say. Cute. But annoying at the same time. They're cute annoying. Annoying means cute and annoying moves together. I think we can make a better word. A newt. For this last video, there's this thing. It's this guy. It's not a guy. Guy who wants to sell like crap crackers. I don't know. I don't think it's on YouTube anymore, but still, really weird. When you're trying to advertise something or not something, I don't know. I'm not a genius at something. Well, anyways, here's the video.
The delicious crap inside the crab crackers come from the safari. Even spectacular with the amazing crab water. Yummy!
I know, really weird. Just can't take it. Can't take it anymore. These delicious crab crackers. They're from the safari. It's pretty funny if you know it. Still, after that, they have bloopers. Bloopers. Like saying like bloopers. Bloopers. It's like, no, Max, no. It's like doing the Egyptian walk or something like that. Well, anyways, this was MaxSinger234. I can't do it fast. And that was my videos. On the top, I think. Look at the other videos. If there's more. And tell me what I should do next. And leave it down below in the comment section. Send me a video or like tell me what to do. That's my dog. He's jumping on the counter. Jeez. So anyways, that was it of this video. If you liked it, please write yes. If you hated it, please write no. And etc. Or 10 times fast. Okay? Say, tell me, what would you do if your dog climbed into your bedroom? Tell me down below. And sayonara.